Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I will be organising my bathroom. Yeah, I'll literally be putting everything back where it was, where it needs to go. Give this video a like, comment what you want to see next, and please subscribe because it really helps. If you want me to keep posting content like this, just subscribe.
Damn, son, where'd you find?
What's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, and now, girl, we can solve them. If you just give me some time, I can open up your mind. If you let you can free your mind. 'Cause I know it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe now I'm so high. And now it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, now, girl, give it one night. If you just give it a chance, well, baby, what's this my plan? 'Cause I know one day you'll see all the things that we can be. Oh, I know it's over. I wanna be the only one. Oh, now I'm so high, so high, so don't know. Now I'm so
Yeah.
Now I'm so high. 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 Now I'm so high.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my short.
Before I get any comments, bath salts, okay? So yeah, we've literally had to put our bath salts in. My boyfriend, he wanted to bust the box wide open, so the box is bust wide open. So that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, comment what you would like to see next, and of course subscribe. Hope for next time you're subscribed.
How you wanna